will be learning how to design R subtractors using basic gates, using NAND gates and using NOR gates. And we'll also be learning full subtractor using basic gates, using NAND gates and using NOR gates. And we will also see how to write the truth table for these two subtractors. Hello students, let us learn half subtractor and full subtractor, how it is been designed and how to implement these subtractors using basic gates, using NAND gates and using NOR gates. Okay, so first we'll see the half subtractor. So we'll learn half subtractors and then we'll learn full subtractors. Now the half subtractors are subtraction of 2 bits, So half subtractors are subtraction of 2 bits. So 1 minus 1 will be equal to 0. 0 minus 1 is the one which you get. Difference is 1 and borrow is 1. So you get a borrow for 0 minus 1 when you're subtracting 0 which is lesser number with a greater number, you get 1 is the difference and 1 borrow. And when I subtract 1 minus 0, you get 1 difference, whereas when I subtract 0 minus 0, I get 0. Now let me write a truth table for this. So A and B would be the two inputs for subtraction, whereas difference and borrow are the two outputs of the subtractor. Okay, now I'll have 4 combinations of input. As we all know, 2 bits, so 4 combinations: 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. Coming to difference and borrow, 0 minus 0, the difference is 0, borrow is 0. 0 minus 1, the difference is 1 and borrow is 1. 1 minus 0, the difference is 1 and borrow is 0. And whereas 1 minus 1, both are zeros. Both are zeros. Now, my job is to write the K-map simplification for getting the expression for difference and borrow. So let me do K-map simplification for difference and borrow for an half subtractor. So as this is a 2 variable, so I do write a 2 variable K-map here. So this would be A and this would be B, 0 1 and 0 1. Now for 0 0, difference is 0. For 0 1, difference is 1. For 1 0, difference is 1. Whereas for 1 1, difference is 0. Therefore now this bits cannot be grouped. As we all know, it cannot be grouped. We have to group it individually. So no vertical and horizontal grouping is possible here, so we group it individually. So when I group it individually, this is the subtractor. So difference would be equal to this one will give me A bar into B plus this one will give me A into B bar. Therefore, finally, difference will be equal to A bar B plus AB bar is nothing but A XOR B. So this is the expression for difference. Coming to borrow, so let me write the K-map for borrow here. For 0 0 it is 0, for 0 1 it is 1, for 1 0 it is 0, for 1 1 it is 0. So this is what the only 1, for 0 1 it is 1. Now again, no grouping is required here because we have only one bit, so we group only that bit. So what do we get here is borrow equals This one will give me A bar and B. Therefore, it is A bar B. So I got the expression for the borrow and difference. Now my job is to design these expressions using basic gates. So first we'll do using basic gates. Using basic gates. So we know that difference is A XOR B. Therefore we'll have two inputs here where A and XOR B. So I'll use an XOR gate to get the difference, which is difference equals A XOR B. Now for borrow, I should take a NOT gate from A because I need a bar, and I'll take from B, and then I'll connect this to an AND gate which gives me the borrow, which is nothing but A bar B. So this is the expression what we get, or this is the design what we have done using basic gates. Now if I do using NAND gates, so we know how to write for X or B, but what the way we have written in even in sum also. In sum also we got sum to be equal to X or B. In adder, half adder, we got same expression for sum. So we do get difference also same here. So the output of the last NAND gate will give me the difference A XOR B. So this is the NAND equivalent XOR gate which I have written the diagram here. Now to get the difference, the borrow, we have got the difference already. So how to get a borrow here? So this is AB the whole bar. So you can't take from here now because I need A bar B. I need A bar B. Now if I go ahead with an expression here, this is what? AB the whole bar and B the whole bar. Coming out of this NAND gate, AB the whole bar, NAND B is what you have written here. So this can be written as De Morgan's theorem usage we do here. So this becomes A bar the whole bar plus B bar. So this will be B bar plus AB. What do you get? Now if I give this B bar plus AB to a NAND gate with two input short, so what is that? You are just taking the complement of B bar plus AB. It means that whole bar. So the output of here we get B bar plus AB the whole bar. Okay, so here B bar plus AB the whole bar will be equal to B bar the whole bar ANDed with AB bar. So this is equal to A bar, B bar, the whole bar gets cancelled, which is into AB the whole bar can be written as A bar plus B bar. So therefore, I will get this as A bar B plus B into B bar is 0. Therefore, finally I will end up in getting A bar B. Therefore, when I take an input from here, I will be getting the borrow, which is nothing but A bar B. Now coming to design using NOR gates. Using NOR gates, let us see how to design it, how to implement using NOR gates. So we have an A bar. I think we have done this in some in an adder. Same thing will be for some difference here. B and B bar. So now we'll take one input from here and we give this to NOR gate, whereas we take one input from here, we give this to NOR gate. So therefore, this gives me A, B bar, and this gives me A bar B. These both are given to one more NOR gate. This gives me AB bar plus A bar B, the whole bar. Now if I take this to 2 input NOR gate again, I will be getting A XOR B. This is the difference. Whereas coming to borrow, I need A bar B. So borrow should be A bar B. Therefore, I will take this directly as borrow, which is equal to A bar B. So I will directly take the output from here because this is A bar B and that is itself is borrow. Okay. So this is all about half subtractor. So now we'll see how to work on full subtractor. Let us look into the design of and implementation of full subtractor. This is subtraction of 3 bits. Subtraction of 3 bits. So for that we need 3 bit input. Now AB, B in is the borrow in, what we will get now. Like C in what we had in sum, so similarly borrow in the subtractor. Whereas the outputs are difference and the other output is borrow B out. So as we have 3 bits here, we have 3 bits here. So therefore we get 8 combinations. 2 power 3 is 8 combinations we get. So let me write all those 8. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and all triple ones. Okay. Now 0 minus 0 minus 0, you get both zeros. 0 minus 0 is 0, whereas 0 minus 1, we know that 1 is the difference and 1 is the borrow. Therefore, we get difference 1, borrow 1. Again 0 minus 1, 1 and 1 minus 0, again we get 1 and 1. So 1 and 1. 0 minus 1 is 1 and 1 minus 1. So minus 1 is difference gets minus with 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0, borrow remains as 1. Therefore difference is 0, borrow is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 0 is 1 is difference, borrow is 0. 1 minus 0 is difference is 1, borrow is 0. And that difference 1 again minus with 1, so both difference and borrow is now 0. Similarly again 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 minus 0 is, so you get both 0. Whereas 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 minus 1 is difference 1, borrow is 0. Now this is the truth table for the full subtractor. This is the truth table for the full subtractor. Now we'll see how to simplify this using the K-map technique. To get the expression for difference and borrow. So this is a 3 variable truth table, so we get 3 variable K-map for difference and borrow. So first we'll see for difference. This is A, this is B, B in. 0, 1, so this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So for all zeros it is 0. For 0, 0, 1 it is 1. For 0, 1, 0, sorry. This is 1, 1 and this is 1, 0. So for 0, 1, 0 it is 1. For 0, 1, 1 it is 0. For 1, 0, 0 it is 1. For 1, 0, 1 it is 0. For 1, 1, 0 it is 0. For all 1 it is 1. Therefore now we group these bits individually because we cannot group it together. So therefore difference would be equal to, this one will give me A, B bar, B in bar, plus this one will give me A bar, B bar, B in, plus this one will give me A, B, B in, plus this one will give me A bar, B, B in bar. So now what we will do is, with this and this, I'll take B in bar common, and with this two B in common. So therefore difference would be equal to AB bar plus A bar B into B in bar plus A bar B bar plus AB multiplied by B in. Now if you see this, we do have AB bar plus A bar B is A XOR B plus A bar B bar plus AB is the XNOR. So the XNOR can be written as complement of XOR. A XOR B the whole bar B. Now let me take, like how we did in sub, if X equals A XOR B and Y equals B in, so I get X Y bar plus X bar Y. So this is nothing but X XOR Y. So finally difference is equal to, we know that X equals A XOR B, and that is XORed with B in is Y. So we can easily say that it is nothing but A XOR B XOR B in is what the difference is. So we got the difference. Now let us try to go with borrow. Like we did in adders, we also derived two equations for borrow here. One is by K-map simplification and other one by looking into the truth table and taking all the min terms in the truth table. So first we'll see to do using K-map. So here this is A, this is B in 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So here borrow is 1 for, it is 1 1 for this 3, whereas for 0 0 0 it is 0, and 0 0 0 for 4 5 6 4 5 and 6, and it is 1 for 7. So therefore now what we will do, we will group it by 2 bits. Therefore borrow would be equal to, these two ones will cancel A, I get B into B in, plus this 2 1 will give me A bar, whereas this 2 1 will cancel B and I get B in, plus this 2 1 will again give me A bar, whereas it cancels B in, I'll get B. So this is the expression for borrow using K-map. Okay. Now let me go with borrow by directly taking the min terms from the truth table. So borrow is min terms from the truth table is what? 0, 1, 2, 3 and 7. So therefore it is 1, 2, 3 and 7. Now we try to write the expression for this only because we take this expression while implementing the full subtractor using NAND gates and NOR gates, because that will, this expression what we do than the expression which we have done in the K-map, this expression will reduce the number of gates usage. That is the reason why we take the expression directly from truth table. So the borrow, what we get is 1 is what? 1 is 0, 0, 1. So I can say it is A bar, B bar, B in, plus 2 is 0, 1, 0, A bar, B, B in bar, plus 3 is 0, 1, 1. Therefore A bar, B, B in, whereas 7 is all ones, A, B, B in. So in this expression, what I can take common, that is what we need to think. So in this two, I'll take A bar B common, whereas in this and this, I'll take B in common. So if I take B in common here, I'll get A bar B bar plus AB. Whereas in this, I'll take A bar B common, I'll get B in plus B in bar. So this is equal to, we know A bar B plus AB is X NOR, and that X NOR can be written as A XOR B the whole bar. So this AB plus A bar B bar can be written as A XOR B the whole bar, which is nothing but an X NOR expression, multiplied by B in plus this is actually equal to 1, therefore I can write A bar B. So this is the expression for B out, borrow. Now with these two expressions, let us see how to realize using basic gates. How to implement using basic gates. First of all, we know difference is A XOR B XOR B in. So I'll have A, I'll have B, now I'll have B in as the another input. I'll put that to XOR gate. So this is my difference, which is A XOR B XOR B in. A XOR B XOR B in. So this is A, this is B, this is B. Now coming to borrow, borrow is A XOR B the whole bar into B in. So therefore, I'll take one input from here and another input from here. I'll have an AND gate here. Whereas another input is A bar B. Okay, so I'll take one input from here. I'm sorry. So this is A plus B the whole, A XOR B the whole bar. So I think I should need a NOT gate here. A NOT gate. Let me write it properly. A NOT gate. So that gives me A XOR B the whole bar. Multiplied by B in is one output of the AND gate. The another AND gate is I will get from A, I need to have a NOT gate, and another input is from B, so I'll take an AND gate here. So therefore, this would give me an OR gate. If I take, this will give me borrow, which is nothing but A XOR B the whole bar multiplied by B in plus A bar B. Now like how we did in adder, full adder, here also if you see in a subtractor, you have one combination of XOR gate with NOT gate and AND gate. You have another combination of XOR gate with NOT gate and AND gate. So if you go back and see the half subtractor diagram, the difference is an XOR with NOT and AND, an XOR with NOT and AND. Therefore, I can justify now that the subtractor is, the full subtractor is combination of two half subtractors. This diagram gives the full subtractor is combination of two half subtractors, because you have a combination of two half subtractors where the output of that is given to an OR gate, which is a difference. Okay, now this is what the full subtractor using basic gates. Now let us design full subtractor using NAND gates. Using NAND gates, let us design the full subtractor using NAND gates. So A XOR B XOR C is what difference? A XOR B XOR, not C, sorry. A XOR B XOR Bin is the difference, whereas the borrow is A XOR B, the whole bar, multiplied by Bin plus A bar B. This is the borrow. So now, if I do the difference, so difference is equal to same the sum what we got in full adder. So therefore we get the same diagram repeats even in the difference. So this we got A XOR B, and we know how to get Bin with this. If we take, we'll repeat the same, we'll repeat this diagram same again with Bin, and A XOR B is the another input. I'll get A XOR B XOR Bin. So this will give me difference A XOR B XOR Bin using NAND. Now coming to the borrow, we know that A XOR B, the bar into Bin is the borrow, and A bar B is another input which we need to take. So I'll take from here is one input I'll take, and the other one I'll take from here. I'll show you how is that. Now at this point, the expression what we get is one of the input is A XOR B ANDed with the other input is Bin. Other input is Bin. So Bin, so this is A, this is B, this is Bin. So A XOR B is one of the input, Bin is the another input. Therefore A XOR B and Bin. And at this stage what we get is, so this is whole bar, A XOR B and Bin, the whole bar, ANDed with this expression. At this point I have A bar B bar is this, sorry, AB the whole bar is this, and B is, so therefore AB the whole bar and B the whole bar. Now this both are given to this NAND gate, so this will take the whole bar. So if I solve this, what will I get? A XOR B and Bin, the whole bar plus AB bar, the whole bar plus B bar. Okay, and this whole bar. See this A XOR and B in the whole bar plus, because these both are given to one NAND gate, AB the whole bar plus B bar the whole bar. So this will be A XOR B multiplied by Bin plus AB plus B bar the whole bar. So therefore I think I have done a small mistake here. This expression is not this. I think this is actually, what do we get here is, this is A XOR B ANDed with Bin the whole bar. Okay. So this is A XOR B ANDed with Bin the whole bar, and that ANDed with Bin, right? That ANDed with Bin, and if I take from here, it is the whole bar of that, the whole bar of this. Okay. So I think this will bite chain. So it is A XOR B ANDed with Bin the whole bar plus b in bar the whole bar. See this whole bar, the whole bar, so bar plus b in this bar and again the whole bar plus this thing whatever I write. So I think this will be plus b in bar the whole bar and this is plus ab plus b bar the whole bar. So this I can write this as now a XOR b in the whole bar multiplied by b in the whole bar plus ab the whole bar and b bar the whole bar. So therefore this is a XOR b. So a XOR b in the whole bar is a XOR b the bar plus b in bar multiplied by b in bar gets cancelled plus a bar plus b bar multiplied by b bar b. So therefore this will be equal to a XOR b the whole bar multiplied by b in plus b in into b in bar is 0 plus a bar b plus b into b bar is 0. Therefore you will end up in getting this. Therefore this expression is nothing but the borrow expression, which is nothing but a XOR b the whole bar multiplied by b in plus a bar b. So this is the expression for borrow. Okay, so this is what the half subtractor is. Now you can try out yourself using NOR gate. Using NOR gate, difference is same. So whatever we have done in full adder, same thing you get using NOR gate for difference in even in full subtractor. Whereas think yourself for borrow and try to see how to get the say expression using NOR gate. It is quite easier using NOR gate than NAND gate. So I hope you can do it by yourself using NOR gate. Okay. This video now ends up the discussion of full subtractor and half subtractor.